Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by verifying account and service status so you don't chase false problems. Once done, power the gateway and place it high near a window. This optimizes line of sight to towers. Next, open the Verizon Home app or web portal and enter the gateway credentials from the label. Why? Because exact SSID, password, and it may let you authenticate and fetch provisioning. Make sure firmware begins updating. If it doesn't, reboot the gateway and retry the app to force a fresh connection handshake. You now dig into signal metrics so improvements are targeted rather than guesswork. Open diagnostics and note RSRP, RSRQ, and SINR. Low numbers mean repositioning or band changes. Once you have them, try manual band selection in the gateway settings to test sub-6 versus C-band. Some locations prefer one over the other. While testing, move the gateway in small increments, rotate and raise it, because minor orientation shifts can dramatically change signal quality and throughput. Repeat diagnostics after each change to confirm gains. You finish by locking down settings and validating performance. Change default SSID and password, enable WPA3 if supported, and run speed tests on Wi-Fi and wired Ethernet to isolate wireless issues. Once satisfied, save the best position and configuration so you can restore it quickly. If problems persist despite optimal placement and settings, perform a factory reset, capture gateway logs and a MAE, then contact Verizon support, providing diagnostic speeds resolution. One quick tip: test with a known good Ethernet device to confirm whether the gateway or Wi-Fi is the culprit.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.